In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Binance using our comprehensive 2025 guide. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Binance website and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, your starting point will be the dashboard. From your dashboard, this is where you can manage various aspects of your account, from personal information to activities and, importantly, your payment methods. Next, proceed by finding and clicking on the Account section. This section is your personal hub within Binance, where you can manage user-facing elements of your profile, such as security settings and privacy controls. This should be a familiar area if you've been using Binance for any length of time. Now, within the Account section, you'll want to look for the Payment option. Clicking on this is an essential step as it leads you directly into the space where you can manage or update any existing payment methods. Once you reach the payment page, you'll see an option to add a payment method. Clicking on this will begin the process of linking a new payment method to your account. It's essentially like opening a door to a range of financial tools that you'll find helpful for engaging in transactions on Binance. Now, you're about to make some crucial choices. You'll see Select Payment Method prominently displayed. So clicking this will allow you to choose from various available payment methods that Binance supports. For this example, we're going to select bank transfer. It is one of the most straightforward and commonly used methods due to its simplicity and widespread acceptance across different platforms. After selecting bank transfer, it's time to enter your bank account details. Start by typing in your account number carefully. It's essential to ensure you double-check this information to avoid any future hiccups in completing transactions. Following the account number, you will enter your bank name. Make sure to input it as accurately as possible. Again, attention to detail is key here. Once all the details are filled out, you'll confirm the addition of your bank account as a payment method. Before doing so, however, it's important to have created a passkey for your account security. This step is crucial as the passkey is used to confirm your identity and secure your account whenever a new payment method is added. After clicking Confirm, you'll see a brief confirmation screen that displays your passkey. It's a safeguard Binance uses to ensure your transactions and account modifications remain secure. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new payment method to your Binance account. Always remember to keep your security details safe and review them regularly as part of your routine to ensure the safety of your account. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.